After weeks of various rumors, leaks, and official teasers, Meizu has finally announced its new mid-range handset, the Meizu M6s, the newest addition to its M family of smartphones. It's the first Meizu device to adopt an 18:9 display with narrow bezels on the top and bottom, joining the ranks of Apple, OnePlus, and other smartphone companies that are moving toward a bezel-less design. So let's check out. The Meizu M6s is a metal-clad smartphone. As expected, its fingerprint scanner is placed on the right, where you will find a physical key as well, and it seems like that's the phone's power key. This phone's side-facing fingerprint scanner can unlock the device in 0.2 seconds, says Meizu, and it's called Super M-Back Fingerprint Sensor. That fingerprint scanner is also customizable. You can set it to perform custom actions and whatnot. On the left-hand side of the device lies a volume rocker and a SIM card tray. The display on the Meizu M6s sports rounded corners, and the bezels on this phone are rather thin, considerably thinner than on its predecessors. A single camera is placed on the device, and an LED flash lies right below that camera. Meizu also joined 2017 trendy 18:9 ratio display. The M6s has a 5.7-inch 1440 by 720 resolution display, with a 2.5D curved glass on top of it, and is slightly bigger than its predecessor. The M6s includes a 16-megapixel rear camera with an f2.0 aperture. It has an 8-megapixel front-facing camera that has a beauty mode, which edits the complexion and shape of a face in real time. The phone is powered by Samsung's 6-core Exynos 7872 processor, instead of a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. The phone has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB or 64 GB storage options. There's also an SD card slot that can support up to 128 GB. Meizu continues to include its own series of navigation gestures, called M-Back, built into the on-screen home button, which it's renamed the Halo button. The latest version has shortcuts to apps running in the background, which is a new feature. Meizu M6s runs on Android 7.1.2. Android 7.1.2 comes pre-installed on the device, along with the company's Flyme OS 6.2. 2 SIM card slots are available here as well. Meizu M6s has a 3000 mAh non-removable battery, and it offers 18-watt fast charging. Meizu says, 0 to 30% charge in just 15 minutes. Meizu's M6s becomes available online on January 19th. Prices start at $156 for the 32 GB variant and $187 for 64 GB. The phone comes in black, silver, gold, or blue. So, what do you think of it? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoy this video, hit the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.